DC motor. A DC motor is any of a class of rotary electrical motors that converts direct current electrical energy into mechanical energy. The most common types rely on the forces produced by magnetic fields. Nearly all types of DC motors have some internal mechanism, either electromechanical or electronic, to periodically change the direction of current in part of the motor. What is DC motor and how it works? Electric motors turn electricity into motion by exploiting electromagnetic induction. A simple direct current, DC, motor is illustrated below. The motor features a permanent horseshoe magnet, called the stator because it's fixed in place, and a turning coil of wire called an armature, or rotor, because it rotates. What is DC motor principle? The DC motor is the device which converts the direct current into the mechanical work. It works on the principle of Lorentz law, which states that the current-carrying conductor placed in a magnetic and electric field experience a force. What is the use of DC motor? Applications. DC motors are suitable for many applications, including conveyors, turntables and others for which adjustable speed and constant or low-speed torque are required. They also work well in dynamic braking and reversing applications, which are common in many industrial machines. What is DC motor electronics? A DC motor is an electromechanical actuator used for producing continuous movement with controllable speed of rotation. DC motors are ideal for use in applications where speed control and servo-type control or positioning is required. A simple DC motor is shown below. What are the three types of DC motors? Main types of DC motors. 1. Permanent magnet DC motors. The permanent magnet motor uses a permanent magnet to create field flux. 2. Series 600 motors. In a Series 600 motor, the field is wound with a few turns of a large wire carrying the full armature current. 3. Shunt DC motors. Which magnet is used in DC motor? Ferrite magnets. Although they offer low energy compared to rare earth magnets, ferrite magnets have one wide acceptance due to their strong resistance to demagnetization, exceptional corrosion resistance and low price. It is the most common magnet used in most types of DC electric motors.